Hello and welcome everyone, I'm Ubaid Ahmed, and in this video I'm going to give you the solution for cross-site scripting with high security in DVWA. So let's quickly log into our application. First thing first, we'll have to change the security level to high. Now we will go to XSS DOM. If you're new to this channel, then I have already done a video where I've explained in detail about cross-site scripting and different types of cross-site scripting attacks. And I have done a separate video where I gave you the solution for cross-site scripting in DVWA with medium security, and this one is for the high security. So we have a drop-down over here in which we have certain options, and if I select a particular value and click on select button, then this selected value is present in this URL parameter. Okay, so we already know that in order to write a payload for this, first we will have to close the option tag, then we will have to close the select tag, and then we will have to write our payload. And we know that this particular payload is not accepted over here. So when we did it for low security and high security, this is what we found out, that this particular payload works for this particular exercise. Now let's see if it works for high security or not. Okay, it did not work, so we will change it a bit and we will make the changes over here. Now let's try this. Okay, this is also not working. So now let's view the source. Okay, here we are making use of switch case, and these are the cases, and we have this default case. Fine, we will have to write a new payload for this, and we will start this with hash and or let's try okay, since we are writing hash, so we will have to change this value also so that it becomes a new URL, else no action will be taken on this. And here we were able to solve this particular exercise of XSS DOM with high security, and we can see the XSS pop-up. Just close it, move on to XSS Reflected. I'll provide my name, for example test. So let's try giving this value. Okay, it removed all our tag values and just this particular thing is remaining. And so if you view the source, and here the characters are being replaced. So now we will make use of Burp suite over here. We will go to decoder, and we have to encode our input as URL. So we will write, and you can see that as I'm typing, it is being converted into URL format. I just paste it over here, and here we were able to solve this XSS reflected exercise as well, and we can see the XSS pop up. Close this, go to XSS stored. Okay, if you don't know about Burp Suite, then I have done detailed videos. In fact, a series is going on for Burp Suite, so please watch it if you want to learn about Burp Suite. I'll just send this request, and when the request is intercepted, I'll provide the same payload here as well, which I provided in the previous case, and it worked over here as well. So this was a quick solution for all the types of XSS, that is XSS DOM, XSS reflected, and XSS stored. If you want to learn about application security, then I have posted many videos related to application security, and there are many videos which are yet to be posted. So do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I will be back with another video. Till then, happy learning and goodbye.